Every year, over 30 million adults in the US report joint pain that limits how they live. But what if relief wasn't in the form of a pill, a cream, or a brace? What if it was on your plate? In this video, we're diving into 10 natural, collagen-rich foods that don't just support joints, they actively rebuild and repair them. These aren't the usual suggestions. They're backed by real science and traditional remedies that are often overlooked. For lighter legs, stronger joints, and more freedom of movement, keep watching, because it all starts with what's on the plate. And be sure to stick around until the very end. Not only will you learn about each food, but also how to build a full weekly eating plan to reinforce joint recovery. Plus bonus tips to supercharge collagen absorption. Welcome back to Dynamic Body Hub. We're excited to have you here. But first, we need to break it down. What is collagen, and why is it so critical for joint health? Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body. It acts like scaffolding that holds everything together. Skin, tendons, cartilage, and bones. It's the body's natural glue. But as time passes, or when key nutrients are lacking, that glue weakens. Collagen breaks down faster than it's replaced. The result? Sore joints, stiff knees, swollen legs, slower recovery. Here's the good news. According to research supported by the National Institutes of Health, collagen breakdown plays a central role in osteoarthritis. Also, studies from the University of California, Davis show that collagen-rich foods can promote cartilage repair and reduce pain. So, let's dive into the top 10 collagen-rich foods that heal joints naturally. We're counting down from number 10 to number 1, ending with the most powerful and unappreciated source you'll want to add to your meals immediately. Let's jump in. Each food on this list is included with intention. They play a clear role in joint recovery, reducing swelling and helping legs feel lighter. As each is introduced, listen for the why, what collagen types they contain, and the tissues they help restore. This isn't just a list, it's a blueprint. The preparation tips, traditional uses, and research insights are here to make each food both practical and powerful. Think of this as a hands-on guide to true recovery. Along the way, you'll get prompts to reflect, share, and adapt these insights to daily life. Drop your answers in the comments and join the conversation. The more engaged the community, the greater the impact. Let's begin. Number 10. Lamb shank. This slow-cooking favorite is not just rich in flavor, it's packed with collagen, especially around the connective tissues and joints. Lamb shank delivers a combination of type 1 and type 3 collagen, along with zinc and amino acids needed for collagen synthesis. According to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, lamb-derived gelatin improves cartilage resilience and skin elasticity. Braised or pressure-cooked, lamb shank yields a nutrient-dense, gelatinous broth that supports recovery and reduces joint stiffness. Ever cooked with lamb shank before? Drop your go-to preparation in the comments. Number 9. Turkey neck. Don't toss it, this is a collagen goldmine. Packed with type 2 collagen and natural glucosamine, turkey neck supports cartilage repair and soothes inflammation. Mayo Clinic-affiliated studies suggest these compounds can help maintain flexibility and reduce morning stiffness. Whether roasted or slow-cooked into a nourishing broth, this overlooked cut can deliver major benefits for aching joints. Throw it out or simmer it into broth. Let us know how turkey neck is used. Number 8. Eggshell membrane. This thin, often discarded lining inside eggshells is a surprisingly potent source of naturally occurring type 1 collagen, hyaluronic acid, glucosamine, and chondroitin. According to a randomized clinical trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging, daily supplementation with eggshell membrane significantly improved joint stiffness and flexibility within just 4 weeks. While often taken in supplement form, powdered eggshell membrane is increasingly available and can be added to smoothies or mixed into yogurt. A small, clean source, yet highly effective. Ever tried using eggshell-based products before? Let us know the dish or method. Number 7. Gelatin. Don't let its simplicity fool you. Unflavored gelatin is nearly pure collagen. Once ingested, it transforms into peptides that stimulate collagen synthesis throughout the body. It's easy to mix into smoothies, add to overnight oats, or melt into bone broths. Research published in the journal Nutrients shows gelatin, when paired with vitamin C, may even help athletes reduce joint pain. Already using gelatin in recipes? Share a favorite preparation. Number 6. Duck feet. It might sound exotic, but this traditional food is one of the richest sources of type 2 collagen. When slow cooked, duck feet release a gelatinous broth packed with glucosamine, chondroitin, and elastin, all vital for joint mobility and recovery. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights how animals' cartilage can help maintain joint integrity and fluidity. Would duck feet in broth be worth a try if it meant less knee pain? Be honest. Number 5. Cooked spinach. This familiar leafy green delivers more than just iron. It's also a rich source of plant-based glycine, magnesium, and vitamin C, all essential cofactors in natural collagen production and preservation. According to the Journal of Food Science and Technology, spinach contains unique polyphenols that help reduce inflammation in joint tissue, promoting long-term flexibility. Whether sautéed in olive oil, blended into smoothies, or stirred into soups, cooked spinach can help reinforce your collagen network from the inside out. What's your favorite way to prepare spinach for max flavor and benefit? Share any go-to tips. Number 4. Pork skin. Don't underestimate this crispy treat. When slow cooked or roasted, pork skin becomes a rich source of bioavailable type 1 collagen, perfect for skin elasticity and joint durability. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, better known as the USDA, pork skin has a dense collagen matrix that makes it one of the most effective foods for rebuilding connective tissue. Think pork rinds, broths, or simmered into stews. Its unique structure supports ligament health and reduces joint wear over time. How is it best enjoyed, snack style or in stews? Comment below. Number 3. Chicken cartilage. Found in the joints, necks, and breastbone, this underutilized part of the bird is packed with type 2 collagen and chondroitin sulfate. Together, these compounds cushion joints and support cartilage regeneration. According to a University of Connecticut study, regular consumption can reduce symptoms of joint stiffness and arthritis. Simmer it in soups or pressure cook it for maximum extraction. Ever used chicken necks or breastbones in broth? Drop a comment below. Number 2. Fish skin. Often discarded, this is a mistake. Salmon skin in particular is rich in marine collagen, absorbed faster than other types. It's also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and promote joint lubrication. According to the National Institutes of Health, consistent intake of marine collagen has been shown to reduce joint stiffness and improve overall comfort over time. Pan-fried, grilled, or baked, this crispy addition can be both delicious and medicinal. Fan of crispy salmon skin, or usually scrape it off? Tell us. Number 1. Beef bone broth. Imagine a warm, comforting cup of broth that does more than soothe, it heals. Bone broth is a collagen powerhouse, delivering both type 1 and type 2 collagen, alongside glycine and proline, amino acids that rebuild connective tissue and reduce inflammation. According to Harvard Health, bone broth's anti-inflammatory profile makes it ideal for managing joint pain and stiffness. Simmered for hours, it also draws out minerals like calcium and magnesium, which strengthen bones and cartilage. Whether enjoyed as a drink, a soup base, or even added to grains, its benefits are profound. Prefer sipping it warm or using it as a base for soup? Let us know in the comments. Now let's talk about how to supercharge these foods with bonus tips that take your results even further. Tip 1. Always pair collagen-rich foods with vitamin C. According to the Cleveland Clinic, vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Add bell peppers, citrus fruits, or strawberries to your meals to enhance absorption. Tip 2. Use anti-inflammatory spices. Turmeric and garlic, both supported by Johns Hopkins Medicine, can help reduce joint inflammation and improve how your body processes collagen. Tip 3. Get some movement. Light exercise like walking or yoga increases circulation, helping deliver these nutrients to your joints where they're needed most. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. Cartilage is 80% water. Proper hydration supports the structure collagen builds, making all that dietary effort count even more. Incorporate these tips consistently to magnify the healing effects of your meals. These 10 collagen-rich foods do more than just support your joints. They serve as building blocks for stronger cartilage, smoother movement, and long-term pain relief. No powders, no pills, just real food with real impact. With every bite, you're not only nourishing your body, you're rebuilding it. For those chasing relief, mobility, and a return to an active life, joint recovery truly begins in the kitchen. Here's a simple weekly food rotation to help reinforce collagen absorption and joint healing. Monday, start the week strong with beef bone broth in your lunch and salmon with the skin on for dinner. Tuesday, incorporate chicken cartilage into your soup or stew and top off the day with a scoop of gelatin in a smoothie. Wednesday, enjoy a hearty lamb shank stew and enhance it with turmeric and black pepper for added anti-inflammatory power. Thursday, snack on pork skin and include vitamin C-rich citrus fruits like oranges or grapefruits in your meals to boost collagen production. Friday, slow cook turkey neck for a nourishing broth, and don't forget to include garlic and bell peppers for extra joint support. Saturday, stir cooked spinach into lunch or dinner and pair it with a guava or strawberry smoothie to elevate vitamin C intake. Sunday, add eggshell membrane powder to a smoothie or yogurt bowl and cap the week with light movement like a walk or yoga session to support nutrient delivery. Repeat this plan weekly and the results will speak for themselves. Which of these foods is most exciting to try? Already using one of them? Drop an answer in the comments. Every single one is read. And if you've experienced joint pain or found success with certain foods, share your story with us. We'd love to know what's worked for you. If you learned something new from this video, or plan to apply any of these food choices in your own diet, give it a like, share it with someone who could benefit, and be sure to comment below with your thoughts or experiences. And for more ways to heal naturally, check out these next. Why turmeric water could transform you, or the best and worst fruits for diabetics, and foods that burn belly fat effectively. Eat better, move easier, heal naturally.